Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a tiny haul from Sizzix online. I actually ordered it the day before, well, it's New Year's Eve. So just a small haul, but hadn't had a chance to get the video up, and I actually just got it, but by the time this video up, I don't know what day it's going to be up anyway. So this is what I got. It took like 15 days to get here. They were all cheaply priced on clearance and stuff. Like these were $2, I think, or something like that, but they were in Hobby Lobby like $2.50. These are a couple of the thin lids word dies. This is a two-piece. This is Mama Papa in Spanish. This one is the by Jen Long, and this one was by Louisa Elsa Goulian K. I butchered her name. This one is I'm sorry, let me give you the Sizzix number just in case. 662949. This Sizzix number is 662940. And this is the diamond, and it is called a Sparkle Heart. So you have the stamp set, and then you have the dies at the top. That's an example of that one. And then of course you've seen this one. It's very small, but just extra little dies. And this is Bow's 9-piece set, and this is 663152 by Caitlin. It's hard, and so you can see kind of those little sizes right there. This one is also by Caitlin Lizardi, excuse me, and this one is 662909, and this one is called Blessed. So again, you have the stamp set, and then you have the outlining dies. And then I got another one by Caitlin Lizardo. I can't pronounce them. You know, sometimes you need to go back to bed. It's early in the morning. This is a 19-piece set, and this is called the Traveler's Notebook Inserts. So you can make the inserts to the notebooks, and this is 662466, and I'm sure you've seen that. I was waiting for it to go on sale. So that is a 19-piece set. And then with the big die, this is the cover. This is 662467, and this one is actually tagged the Pocket Traveler's Notebook. So again, you get the pages in the notebook and stuff. So that is what I got, and the only other thing I did get was just some replacement pads. Let's hit my Cricut for the standard cutting pads for my Big Shot Plus. These are the extended standard pads, 660581. So I get those whenever they are on sale. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.